Today we are going to discuss about the topic steganography. So what is meant by a steganography? So steganography is the secret writing or a hidden writing. So steganography is the practice of concealing a file, message, image or a video within another file, message or an image or a video. So stegno means covered, graphy means writing, or you can also say as a hidden writing. So you can take an example like we can write the secret writing in the form of an image, text or a video. So here the cat consists and we are going to encode with certain text and we are going to put them into the stegno image. So the block diagram of a steganography is, so we have a covered media where we are going to write the technique by using the stegno key in a form of a text or in a form of an image or a video. Then we are going to put that message in a form of a hidden manner. So where there is a various media like text, images and audio. And steganography with the text is an example where everyone can read and encode text in the neural sentences. It's doubtfully effective. So we can write in this format since everyone can read the encoding text in neural sentence in a doubtful effect. So we can write secret inside. So secret inside can be written in this form of a text manner or in the form of an images where in the image of that particular part in here in the parrot we are going to, when you are zooming that particular eye of the image of a parrot, then you can see the writing inside it, certain values. So those values are being encoded with the binary values. When you decode those values, we are going to get the hidden secret value. So we are going to take that pixel image, then we are going to take the LSB that we are going to hidden, then we are going to put them into the characters. So steganography is nothing but hiding the plain text in the graphic image. So each pixel has 3 bytes specifying the RGB color and at least significant bits of pixel can be changed with respect to effective image quality. So you can hide the message using the LSBs. So covering data under the color image, you can also cover them by writing the binary values with ones and zeros. Then what is meant by stegna analysis? The stegna analysis is an art and the science of detecting secret communication. So the important aspects of the stegna analysis is detecting the hidden information and also disabling the steganography. So taking down what are the advantages of the steganography are confidential communication and secret data storing, protection data altering, difficult to detect the message to the hackers. It can be done faster with larger number of softwares and provides better security for sharing the data in LAN, WAN and MAN. Then what are the disadvantages in the steganography? The confidentiality of the information is maintained by the algorithms, and if the algorithms are known, then this technique is of no use. Thank you.